Menacing and terrifying. The shark has been menacing and terrifying for over a decade. Sharks can only be found in two places on Earth, the northern and southern hemispheres. This shark is called a hammerhead because his head looks like a hammer. These sharks are attacking Nicole Richie. Yes, the shark is a... What the fuck? Look, man, look at that thing's teeth. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
I thought the bitch was white! God damn it! Oh no! God damn it! God damn it! I thought the bitch was white! Fuck! God damn it! Oh.
Amazing, isn't it?